Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because there's a new trend that's out right now. You pick out someone that you admire, follow them, and you do their makeup. I wanted to try this out because it seems to me it's very fun to do, and you know, you could test out your skills. The person I'm going to be following is Jackie Aina. Jackie is very talented. I really like to watch her. I've been watching Jackie when she started doing YouTube like years ago, and now that you know what, I really admire her and the things that she do on her channel. I like the type of techniques that she use in her makeup tutorials, and I wanted to try it out for you guys. Some of the items, I don't think I have them, but we're gonna see, girl. I'm going to recreate the basic to body look. It looks like she's gonna be using most of the stuff from NARS. I don't have the concealer, so I'm just gonna be using what I have. And NARS usually cater for our brown girls, and I heard the concealers are very good, but I never tried them out. So it seems like she has all the shades, almost 7 of the shades that she's gonna use. I'm hoping that she used one of the foundations because I only have one foundation from NARS, so
I'm not gonna let a couple scars here and there stop me from being great. Sheer Glow right now is like one of my all-time favorite foundations of life, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Macao. And
Jackie usually goes really fast in her videos, girl, and I gotta keep up because I'm very slow when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna be using the new foundation from NARS. This is Macao. She's just jumping right into the foundation, girl.
With the shade Macao, and let's do 3 pumps.
Wait a minute, she's applying the makeup now, girl. Hold on.
Also say it's funny how the one foundation that I was hesitant to try for years because I thought it was probably gonna be a nightmare in a bottle for my skin type ended up being like literally my all-time favorite foundation, and that's the gag. Nice, blending out nice and evenly. A lot of people ask me why.
Wait, hold on, girl, hold on. Wait. She already finished doing her entire face. Wait a minute, girl, you too fast now. Yeah, I don't color correct too, girl.
Because most of the time I'm just too.
At least we had something in common.
My upper lip area from getting all creasy. The foundation.
I'm using Makeup Resolution Concealer, and this is C13.
Just doesn't sit there, and that's like with any foundation. So I find that adding a little bit of that extra concealer helps. And I like Hazelnut because it kind of acts as a corrector shade for me. And then don't be nervous. I do like to let my concealers dry down. So while I do that, okay guys, I want you to fill in the blank. Now I'm gonna highlight with my Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Almond.
I don't have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my another Makeup Resolution Concealer. I'm gonna be using C12.
I'm gonna build Almond under my eye. A lot of people say for highlighting using 1 to 2 shades. 2 shades up for me in Radiant Creamy is Caramel, and I find Caramel just a little too bright. The only time I use Caramel is on top of another color to brighten it just a teensers. Just a teensers. I'm literally gonna add like 3 dots. That's it.
She did use a darker color, so I'm gonna go in with the darker shade. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of this, you know, just to follow everything that she's doing. I know I did this a little backwards, but it's still following her. Ooh, I gotta follow her.
With the dome that we call the 5 head, how lightweight but buildable. A little bit of dark coffee around my temples. Gotta get some width from the, not length, okay? The Lord has blessed me with length.
So she's taking a dark shade and put it around her forehead. I'm gonna be using the same concealer, which is, I'm gonna take C17, which is a darker shade. Hopefully she don't go darker, cause, okay. And you know what? I never did this before, like put everything on and then blend it out. You see, it's drying out. She did use a brush, so I'm gonna use my same brush.
With another clean NYX brush, and then go back and forth with my foundation shade brush to kind of go over everything so that everything matches. Just so that everything is, you know, getting along nice, like a nice little happy, radiant, creamy family. I usually match my foundations to my neck, so a lot of times people think that I'm trying to go lighter in shades when that's actually not true. What you're seeing is the center of my face matches the body, and it's the perimeter of my face that's darker. And because a lot of times I'm just too lazy to color correct, I just can't be bothered. Somebody is in my door. So naturally what I'm doing with these concealers is getting it to make up for the fact that our face is not one tone, you know, like nobody's one color all over their face. So you got to make up for that by highlighting and contouring. 5 head is closest to the sun. You know, the bigger the 5 head, the closer to God. And you know what? No matter how long I leave this on, it's still gonna be blendable. I know this is what y'all been waiting for, but now with my beauty blender, I'm pushing that concealer under my eye. Radiant Creamy got me looking nice and hydrated. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of my Beauty Bakery flour powder. Just go right under that eye. I will have to bake.
I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup.
I will have to bake a little bit for the shadow we're gonna use later on. I'm gonna poke out my upper lip area to set it with powder. I do the same thing for my smile lines. That actually seems to be helping me with smile lines a lot more.
Let's just see what eyeshadow that she used. Hopefully I have it. It looks like it. It looked like the same eyeshadow that she has. So I guess I'm gonna recreate the look. But before, let me get my brushes because she going a little too fast for me. Okay, so she's using this eyeshadow palette. This is from Coloring Queen of Heart palette. Okay, so this is it. This is the same palette.
And I'm going to use Landship, which is this kind of fuchsia purple color here. And I'm going to start working that into my crease. Just been dying to do a pink look lately, like a bright pink look. Sweeping that shadow back and forth so that it doesn't show up too dark. So
wait a minute, hold on. Did she did this? Wait a minute. I didn't see that she prepped her eyes. OMG, hold on. Let me, girl, you're going too fast for me. Hold on. Jackie did her eyebrows. When did she do her eyebrows? Alright guys, so I just went ahead and do the other eye of camera just to save some time because she's going really fast. So I just want to be in the same, you know, where she's at.
We're gonna go in with a little bit of Duchess, which is more of a dusty mauve. Start blending a little bit of that around that crease area. And I'm barely grazing my eyelid with this brush. I'm gonna take no.
I guess it's looking like hers. I don't know. I'm using the same palette. All right, let's go back.
Mobile Woman, which is this jewel tone shimmery color, and a Sigma short shader brush, and start working that along my bottom lash line. It is so hard getting colors to actually show up on my bottom lash line. Like honestly, between having thicker than a bowl of oatmeal lashes, I don't know what to do anymore. It's just not in the cards for me, I guess. I guess it's just because of my eye shape, but a lot of times you just really don't see what's going on down here, I feel. Unless you're like close up. I'm taking Queen Mother and I'm putting that onto my lid.
All right, so she used Queen Mother all over the eyelid, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to meet up with speed because she already finished with her lid. So I'm just putting this on.
Now I'm gonna switch over to my Makeup for Melanin Girls Pressed Glitter palette. Isn't this pretty? Now at first this freaked me out.
So she's using one of those glitters that I don't have. So I'm gonna go in with my Kyra Cosmetics glitter. This is what it is. It looks like she's using one of the reds. So I'm gonna use this one.
Just pop that right on, girl. That's some color for you right there. And you know what? Glitter users don't have to be scared anymore.
It don't look like pink, it looked like red to me that she put on. And I'm just gonna take the pink and put on top of it. So that's what I'm gonna do after. It looks okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with another pink. She used one of the pink and put on top of it. Since I did it backwards, I'm just gonna put that pink on top of this. This look good. Okay, Jackie, thank you.
I'm also mixing in this color here. So I used the bright pink first, and then I went in with the mid-tone purple and put them right on top of each other. I'm gonna throw on some Lily lashes in the style Miami. This is a good lash. This is a really good lash.
Hope she don't do this on camera. Popped on her lashes. She didn't show. Oh, thank God she didn't do that. So I'm gonna pop up my lashes. I don't have the lash that she used, so I'm going to just pop in one of my Adele lashes. This is 110. This is a pack. This is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pop this in.
I love these liquid blushes from NARS. This is Dolce Vita. All you need is really like one pump. And I'm going to blend that.
I don't have any blushes from NARS. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Warm Berry blush.
In the apples of my cheeks. This is such a gorgeous color.
Hold on, girl. Hold on. I'm still putting on my blush.
Using my Le Bronze Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture.
I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Heart Diffuser. This is a new highlighter. Actually, I never used this before. I'm going to try it on. Hopefully this looks good on me.
I'm not going to go crazy with highlight.
Oh, this looks pretty.
Some subtle glow to the skin. For those of you guys that were worried that the Artist Couture highlighters would be too much because they're loose, they're actually pretty controllable. All you need is a little bit, one dip in your brush, and even still you can dab off the excess, and then you can still get a pretty soft wearable finish. Now you know she love her inner corner though. Then go back to Royal Highness. This is a really pretty like lavender taupe color. Go right on top of.
She's going back into the same palette that we use, and she's going with Royal Highness.
Go right on top of Le Bronze. I'm feeling so like.
Oh girl, hold on, girl. We still right here. We are still here.
I'm gonna take Extra Saucy from Dose of Colors, their liquid lipsticks, and apply that to my lips.
Oh, I don't have that. I have red lipstick, but I'm trying to get one that is like really close to the one that she's using. I'll go in with my Color Rain red lipstick, which is Cherry Blossom.
My lips. This is from their Merry Christmas set, so I'm also gonna grab Strawberry Pop to add to the center to mix the two colors together.
A kind of pinkish color. I don't know if I have that. I'm gonna be using this lipstick from Girllll. I don't know what shade that is, so I'm gonna just take a little bit and put it right here.
I feel like Extra Saucy was looking a little too red, and ooh.
It's not really the color that she's wearing, but close to it. Girl, I'm feeling myself too.
That's the final look.
Hey, yeah. Oh, so this is the final look, guys. I think I did good. What you guys think? I like the way this turned out, and I learned a lot just by watching her videos. Wish I was going somewhere, but I ain't going nowhere. The only thing I did different in this video, I really didn't know that she had a wing until after, because a lot of things that she did, she didn't really show it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this look. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.